two more. We still have time. I think one person wanted to go for preparing the presentation. Is she gone?
Okay, I have something to say. Okay. Sir, thank you so much. You actually broken the ice that was there already in the class. We haven't been interacting a lot with everybody in our class right now, and with the people from Europe. Yeah, and even amongst ourselves. So this was a good initiative actually, and we've actually, I believe we've become more involved as a class right now. So thank you, sir.
Thank you. I think you like to say something because you requested that I should have something here.
Yeah, I had requested sir for having sessions in the activity center, something. I didn't know what kind of activity, but then something. I just wanted some fun with learning, and I believe all of us have achieved that. It was a great experience.
Let's say something. Yeah, two, three of you.
Kevin.
Yeah, as the others already said, I think all these different activities we just went through, they somehow break the ice. So we got, I think I learned a bit more who you are, and I think it was like a group building process definitely going on, but for the next time, it would be, when we do that again, and I hope we do something like this again, then let me know, and I would like to come with a t-shirt instead of a shirt.
We should have more of these sessions.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to go, but yes, we have it. Don't worry. Okay. Like to say something?
Thank you, Aditi, for capturing their memories.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to say something.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, Shiva.
Okay.
Thank you, Philip, sir.
Awesome. Cheers to sir.